Good morning, children. Myself, Rajesh Dikruz. I welcome you to the e-learning classes provided by St. Michael's Academy, Betia. Okay, children. So we are having Standard 7 History Chapter 10. The lesson we are talking about Rise of Independent Kingdoms. Children, we have completed the lesson. So now we will have exercise. So let's begin the exercise. Exercise A. Answer the questions by choosing the most appropriate alternative from those given below. First, Jahandar Shah was followed by dash. Option A, Muhammad Shah. B, Farooq Shah. C, Bahadur Shah. D, Nadir Shah. Answer option B, Farooq Shah. Second, Nadir Shah attacked Delhi during the region of dash. Option A, Bahadur Shah Zafar. B, Bahadur Shah first. C, Muhammad Shah. D, Sadat Khan. Answer option C, Muhammad Shah. Third, the provincial states which declared their independence after the death of Aurangzeb were called dash. Option A, succession states. B, residual states. C, independent states. D, lateral states. Option A, succession states. 4. During the Mughal period, the capital of Awadh was dash. Option A, Lucknow. B, Rohilkhand. C, Kannauj. D, Delhi. Answer option A, Lucknow. 5. The successor of Chin Kulij Khan were called as the dash of Hyderabad. Option A, Wazirs. B, Nawabs. C, Nizams. D, Sultans. Answer option C, Nizams. 6. Swai Raja Jai Singh built the city of dash. Option A, Jaisalmer. B, Jodhpur. C, Ajmer. D, Jaipur. Answer option D, Jaipur. Exercise B. Fill in the blanks. First, dash was appointed as the governor of Bengal by Farooq Shah. Answer, Murshid Quli Khan. Second, Tipu Sultan was called the dash on account of his bravery. Answer, Tiger of Mysore. Third, Raja Jai Singh signed a treaty of Purandar with dash. Answer, Shivaji. 4. The Sikh organized themselves into small groups called dash. Answer, Missals. 5. Balaji Vishwanath was succeeded by dash. Answer, Baji Rao. 6. In the Marathas state, a fourth was supervised by a dash. Answer, Shivaji Maharaja. Exercise C. Match the following. First, Raja Jai Singh. Answer option D, Jaipur. Second, Murshid Quli Khan. Answer option C, Hyderabad. Third, Hyder Ali. Answer option B, Mysore. 4. Chin Kulij Khan. Answer option A, Bengal. 5. Sadat Khan. Answer option A, Awadh. 6. Chhatrapati Shivaji. Answer option G, Maratha region. 7. Ranjit Singh. Answer option F, Punjab. Exercise D. Give one word answer. First, successor of Murshid Quli Khan. Answer, Shujauddin Khan and Aliwardi Khan. Second, the war in which Hyder Ali died. Answer, Second Anglo-Mysore War. Third, the method of warfare which involved surprise attack on the enemy. Answer, raid. 4. Chhatrapati Shivaji's son. Answer, Sambhaji. 5. The Maratha ministers of finance and revenue. Answer, Amatya or Majumdar. 6. 1/4 of the assessed revenue paid to the Marathas to prevent plunder by them. Answer, Chauth. Exercise A. Answer the questions in about 50 to 70 words. First, who were kingmakers during Jahandar Shah's reign? What did they do? Answer, the Sayyid brothers, Sayyid Hussain Ali and Sayyid Abdullah were the kingmakers during Jahandar Shah's reign. They replaced him with Farrukhsiyar, his nephew, and later killed Jahandar Shah. Question 2. Why did succession states emerge? Answer, the later Mughals were not able to control the prosperous region, which were further away from the center. The governors of these regions wanted to be independent, and when they got opportunity, many of them usurped power and set up new states, which were known as the succession states. Question 3. Mention two measures taken by the rulers of Awadh to make their states prosperous. Answer, the two measures taken by the rulers of Awadh to make their state prosperous are: first, established peace and justice; second, organized a powerful army. Question 4. How did Nizam-ul-Mulk rule Hyderabad independently without help from the Mughal Empire? Answer, Nizam-ul-Mulk was appointed the governor of Deccan in 1712 by Mughal Emperor. He consolidated his rule and acted as an independent ruler under the Mughal crown. He brought with him skilled soldiers and administrators from northern India, and with their help ruled his state as an independent ruler without help from the Mughal Empire. Question 5. Mention two measures taken by Tipu Sultan to strengthen his kingdom. Answer, Tipu Sultan was called the Tiger of Mysore on account of his bravery. Tipu undertook various steps to strengthen his kingdom. He encouraged trade and industries. He also introduced a series of weights and measures and employed both Hindu and Muslim in his administration. Question 6. How did Balaji Baji Rao extend Maratha territory? Answer, Balaji Baji Rao besieged Nizam near Bhopal, forcing him to sign the Treaty of Durai Sarai without fighting. By it, the Mughals emperor handed over Malwa and the territory between the river Chambal and Narmada to the Marathas. Besides, the Marathas received rupees 50 lakhs. This success of Baji Rao made him known all over India. Okay, children. So these are the question answers of this lesson. Please write the question answer with the objectives and submit the copy for corrections. As you know, you will get 20 marks in the copy. So please complete your copy and get corrections soon. Thank you. Children, if you like my videos, please like it, share it and subscribe it. Thank you very much.